is Nadan, a criminology student, and I am here to share with you the three sets of 10 commandments of safety driving. As responsible drivers, it is crucial that we follow the rules and guidelines to ensure our safety and, and the safety of others on the road. So join me as I recite the important guidelines or reminders for a safe and smooth journey. So first set of 10 commandments. So first, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, um, nor hills, nor the view unseen by myself. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I will not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. 6. I do not accelerate speed at schools, playgrounds, and hospitals and other dangerous zones. So 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. And 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And 10, or the last one, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians. So the second set of 10 commandments are the self-traveler. So number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4, take any chances. 5, thou shalt buckle up on thy kids. 6, thou shalt not drive on thy right. 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. 10, thou shalt practice patience. That's the second step.
I keep that thing on me. I keep that thing on me. I keep that thing on me. I keep that thing on me.
So the third sets of 10 commandments, the self-clearance. So first, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibit parking. 4, in doubt, do not overtake. 5th, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7, observe traffic management measures. 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. 9, on pedestrian. 10, the remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all for today.
My mind, it's that. My mind, it's that. My mind.